Hey guys, Clint here, KC Customs. So today I'm starting my PUCH Tomo / motorized bike engine build, which is, I'm super excited today because I'm putting a couple engines together that I both really love now, and yeah, it's gonna be a hybrid. Plus, this time I'm gonna run the engine backwards, so the intake's on front and exhaust goes out the back. So anyway, I'm gonna mix them up. So I'm gonna mix this beauty with, they're gonna make a baby. So got my piston here. Now these are Treatland pistons. Everything's off Treatland. However, it's a beauty. I got some little touch-ups to do to her, but all in all, it looks really good. It's been honed properly. Anyway, so that just has to be drilled. Those holes have to be drilled out to 8mm for it to work properly. And here's the cylinder head. Nice cylinder head. As you can see, nice squish. That's gonna get drilled too. Yeah, so that's the start of the PUCH engine build here. So, hey guys, Clint here, KC Customs. So, I got so many cranks I've been balancing that I finally just got sick of taking my lathe apart, and made a little trim stand on a nice flat piece of stainless I had here, which, yeah, works great. So now, because I got a whole bunch more cranks to do, I think I got 3 more, so I just finished the 12mm crank for the PUCH engine, and I'm working on balancing, truing it right now, and then I welded up, TIG weld it quick, just a couple tag welds, but yeah, here we go. So this is my little homemade stand here. Nothing special. Then I just put a little bit of oil on the inside of the grooves. But anyway, so you guys can see here. Yeah. So I set it up on both sides, right? And I want it within a few thousandths of an inch, which this one's, I've got it reasonable. So if I'm off, then what I do is I change, give it a little tap with a hammer, one way or the other, depending on yeah, so true and cranks. I put something down over it, and I do one side halfway and then the other side halfway. And a little bit. So that's perfect. Okay, cylinder head time. So this can't be drilled out to this size because I'm too close to the rings, so I gotta do the 9mm. So there she sits. It's awesome. There she is. The backwards PUCH. So today I am going to take my PUCH motor, and I ended up deciding to block off the airline, and I'm going to mount this carb direct is the best route to go, and it just fits, so which is good, but I gotta match it. Mine's almost perfectly up with that. Just to show you guys, here's my choke, here's my throttle, and choke. So right into the engine. The choke, I just let off it, or I just squeeze that, closed. Be a temporary solution for now. Hey guys, so the PUCH motor is almost ready to fire up. Now, first thing I do before I fire any of my motors up is I do a cold run, is what I call it.